So how many language you use
I speak seven.
speak? Seven?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. Oh, what is it? English? Spanish?
French, Creole, and Portuguese, Italian, German.
Oh,
I don't want
Yeah.
peace.
oh,
But
I
one of the
want
things, if you speak
problems.
the language more frequently, the more we're gonna be perfect. This is my what I believe. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Right.
So, what? How can you learn? Where did you learn your language? Is this from app or with people?
Yeah, because in my school I started like learning the among them in my school, but I passed all my time by reading books, by watching like cartoon, a lot of things. But yeah, I work a little bit.
Uh, yeah, I'll take a note. I really want to speak Spanish.